Hello everybody, welcome to or welcome back to my channel, welcome to Blane's World, and welcome to another reaction video. Today, we are mixing it up a little bit, starting off the week a little bit different, but we're starting out with something I'm so excited for. So today, we're gonna be checking out Bea Alonzo's farm tour. Okay, this video came out like a week ago, 6 million views. That's crazy, you guys. So I've never heard of Bea Alonzo, but a few of you suggested this video, and you actually don't know, but I actually grew up on a farm. So for the first 18 years of my life, I lived on a farm outside of an extremely small town. So my town was like 800 to 1,000 people. I lived outside of that in another small town called Walker that was 60 people. And then I lived outside of that town. So I lived literally in the middle of nowhere on a very small farm. So I'm so excited to take a little journey back into farm life. So if you want to see my full reaction to Bea Alonzo's amazing farm tour, then sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and don't forget, like this video, subscribe below, and hit that notification bell. Okay, everybody, I'm scooted to the side. Excuse my crazy spray tan hands again. I just got it redone yesterday. Also, it is so early that my coffee isn't even started yet. That's how early we're up right now. I think it's 4:45 in the morning, my time. I have a crazy day, and if I didn't film now, this was not gonna get done. So we are up so early, the coffee's not even done. It's actually just now, I think, kicking on. So hopefully by the end of this video, I'll be able to start my first cup. But enough about my crazy spray tan and my coffee needs. Let's just dive right into this farm tour.
Welcome to our farm.
Ah! It's so pretty. Oh my God, that's so big. Wow. What? Okay, who is this stunning woman? What is she famous for? Because I want her life.
Since a lot of you have requested in the past for me to do this video, I am finally giving it to you.
Thanks, girl.
A tour of our farm. Welcome to Beati Firma.
Whoa. That's insane. Oh my God, the pool! Is it a pool or is it a pond? I think it's a pond with fish. Private gates.
Yeah, noong 2011 namin itong na-acquire itong land na to. It was a raw land. Actually, wala siyang kahit na anong tanim, isang puno lang. We discovered this place through Tita Isabel Rivas. And then, in-invite niya kami.
Isabel Rivas, did she buy it from her?
And so, sabi niya merong ipapakita sa aming lupa. At first, sa totoo lang, back then I was very young. Naisip ko, kaya na ba namin mag-farm or is it worth it? Or matututukan ba namin? And so I asked my mom if she was interested. And syempre, initially, parang naisip niya, tatapon mo ba ako? Na hanggang ngayon, sinasabi niya yun. But then we are so glad that...
Oh, wow! It is so beautiful.
Dito sa mga karatig farms namin, like si Sir Edward Kairos, who used to be an American soldier, na dito na rin siya nag-retire, na ngayon family friend.
I wish there's no closed captions, so I get like every other sentence I understand. Oh, I literally cannot imagine having that much space, that kind of an expanse. My parents have a lot of acreage in western Kansas, but it's not this beautiful.
Importantly, since hindi kami taga Zambales, we are so glad na mababait yung mga tao dito at nakakasundo talaga namin silang lahat. And I feel happy that my mom is safe.
Oh. Oh, so she has her whole amazing family there. That's so cool. Wow. I would move all my best friends onto a farm with me if it looked like this. I mean, are you kidding?
Our mahogany trees. Yung perimeter ng buong land namin, napapalibutan siya ng mahogany trees. They are 8 years old now. As you can see, medyo manipis pa siya. Ibig sabihin, baby pa siya. But they're actually good investments because in the future, bibilhin siya ng mga furniture designers for a very good price. And actually, aesthetically, ang ganda niya rin tignan. And
yeah, they're just beautiful.
It used to be 5,000, but then, nung nag-hit yung bagyong Ulysses, may isang nabuwal. At yun na siya. So ngayon, hindi ko na siya makaklaim na 5,000. It is now 4,999.
Oh, so they had more and they had to cut one down. Okay.
Sobrang cute nga kasi parang nag-farmville si Mama. Talagang yung distance ng mga trees are perfectly placed. Naglagay din siya ng mga signages. Hindi ko alam bakit Basha yung nilagay niya. Akala niya siguro dito nakatira si Basha. Kalimutan yung anak niya si Bea talaga. Totoo.
Is this from what she's famous for?
Ang cute naman ni Mama. Papatayin niya.
She seems like she could be an actress.
Yeah, my mom has a
Oh, that home.
to the guest rooms. And the House of Santiago, syempre si Santiago is my nephew who is now turning actually 1 this April.
Okay, he's actually so cute. I normally don't care about kids. That baby was adorable.
So from our fence, makikita nyo yung view of the mountains and the...
Yeah, that mountain view. Oh, my heart.
Po, nandito na sila. It's probably because gusto nila na ipakain din yung grass sa area na yon at para hindi rin magkagulo-gulo at hindi mahirap ipastol yung mga baka. And I like how...
Oh, her cows are beautiful.
For the number of cows that we have kasi hindi sila nag-aagawan sa pagkain.
Oh, hi, buddies.
Organic farm, we don't do feeds, we don't do antibiotics, we also don't do sprays or pesticides.
That's amazing.
So actually it's all natural and it makes me so happy that it's all...
That's incredible. That's really hard too, to be a natural farm. You have to follow a lot of regulations. It's a lot more expensive most of the time, takes up a lot of time. It's really, really difficult. Some of my best friends own a blackberry farm here in Kansas, and it's really expensive to be more organic.
Kapag pumasok ka sa farm namin, maliwanag siya. And what's nice is that it's sustainable. We don't need to pay for electricity just to light up the entire place. At night, automatic.
Oh, all of her lights are solar. That's incredible. That is worth the investment, y'all. If you can invest in solar, do it. As soon as we buy a home, we'll try to put some solar panels on the roof, I think. Mango trees! My husband is obsessed with mangoes.
April or May. And in between our mango trees are calamansi trees. Dito, kumikita talaga sila. Nagbebenta sila ng mga calamansi dito sa Zambales kasi ang dami namin calamansi.
It's like a fruit or a flower. Calamansi. That cow just like kicking it.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ray!
She's like, I'm terrified of the cow. Honestly, growing up, I was so scared of them, and now I'm like far less afraid of them.
Dito, Doy.
Ano po? 8?
So siya yung talagang mas may alam dito sa farm kaya dapat samahan niya ako into...
So is this her brother?
Yung mga baka dun sa golf cart.
Yung phone baga sasakmali.
Baka...
He's like, tasty little golf cart.
Other side, yung mga bahay namin nila Mama. Dito sa other side of the farm, mga bahay naman nila Doy. Ito yung area nila Doy.
Apa.
Dito kayo nag-hangout.
Yes po.
Tapos,
All of these buildings. So cute.
una yung ginagawa in the morning.
Nagdidilig po ng ng mga halaman,
Tapos,
tsaka pakain po ng baka, at tsaka baboy po doon sa
tapos
Oh, hi pigs.
sinabi ko sa kanila na parang all organic yung farm natin. Ano yung kinakain ng mga baka?
Ano po, darak, tsaka dayami
Tapos, di ba may pulot? Saan
Opo.
natin kinukuha yung pulot?
sa tubo.
Parang ang cute kasi nila, parang dessert nila yun. Parang honey ang pulot, di ba? So, kinakain nila kasi it nourishes them. And then, yung mga tira, kasi
Oh, cool.
palayan sa baba nitong
Gosh, it's just so expansive.
farm because lahat ng
Oh, and self-sustaining. That's incredible.
to sustain the farm. And yung mga natitira namin kanin, pinapakain sa mga bibe, hindi
Opo.
ba? Maraming
Oh, the puppies! Hi! Aspen! Y'all told me that. So you call your rescue dogs like your stray dogs, Aspen. And I call my dog Aspen. I'll put his name on the screen. He's named after a tree. But so many of you were like, Oh my gosh, that's what we call our dogs. So that's so cool.
So namin, kasi nagsisave din sila dito ng mga dogs.
Hi, cutie.
Hi! Ayun sila Beati. May anak siyang pangalan, Beati. He named it after the farm, si Bea, yung Beati Firma. And then we also have a well. Di ba talaga to? Nandito talaga.
Oh, they have a well. How cool. It's kind of pretty.
Yung challenge talaga na ang daming beses namin pinahukay. Talagang hinanap namin kung saan yung source of water in this land.
Oh, that's their only source of water.
Doy! Doy!
Hindi po.
That cow is taking a shine to her. She's like, hi, I'm gonna follow you.
So, nandito na kami sa cattle. Yung pahingahan, kainan ng mga baka. Ilang beses sila kumakain sa isang araw?
Isang beses lang po, pero pag sa inumin po, umaga hapon.
Kasi nga naiinitan sila, lalo na pag summer. Yung mga mango trees namin dito sa side na to, kung saan nandito yung mga baka, trimmed yung ilalim niya. As in super parang pinapatrim na ganyan.
Those trees are so beautifully lined up.
Mas mukha siyang manicured pero natural kasi yung mga baka lang yung nagmamanicure ng mga trees. Nakatingin sila, galit sila sa akin.
She's terrified of the cow. She's like, they're staring at me. I do not trust them. Put up the cattle gates, y'all.
Mahirap gawin sa farm.
Para sa akin, ma'am, lahat madali na eh.
Taray, baka talaga. Punta talaga kayo ni Mama, tutok dito eh. So, nandito naman kami sa kubo na ginawa ni Doy nung ECQ. Talagang nainip lang siya. Tapos, kinuha niya yung mga available na bamboo, lahat ng kahoy dito. Tapos, ginawa niya ang kubo. Dahil lang bored siya. Ganun sila dito. Pag nabobore, tatayo.
So this bamboo building, I don't know what it's for. I hope they show us. It's beautiful. Did they build it themselves?
Tapos ito yung mga natira dun sa pinagawa natin na parking.
Tama.
Meron pa siyang stairs na lahat din talagang gawa ng kamay.
Oh my gosh, did they build this whole place? So pretty.
Panggatong po.
Panggatong. So nakaano talaga yan, properly placed here para hindi mag-cause ng sunog.
Ayan po yung mga kahoy po na hindi na yung mga pabulok na talaga siya.
Sinusunog nyo para hindi na siya mag-cause ng wildfire na hindi natin alam. Ginawa rin ni Do.
Oh, we love a fire. I have a fire pit in my backyard and I'm obsessed.
Luto dito, I'll share with you a recipe that I just learned. Buhay probinsya, ang buhay probinsya.
Ooh, little outdoor kitchen area.
Nasus mo dyan,
Ano lang po, pako, alambre, yun lang po.
Pako at alambre, tapos lahat ng ginamit nanggaling na dito sa farm. Biruin mo yung pako at alambre lang, tapos
yun
may
lang
gano'n
po.
na. Amazing. Ang galing, ang galing. Andito na mga bibi ko.
Oh, look at the chickens!
So, andito yung andito si Baby Cream. At andito si bibi ko. Ikaw pa rin ang bibi ko. Bibi ko, nakalabas siya.
Okay lang po yan, babalik din po.
Oh my God, I'm so...
They're like, get away from me, girl.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Halika na. Halika na. Halika na, halika na, halika na, halika na.
Oh, yun na.
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya talaga sa akin. Doon tayo sa pigs.
She's like, I think I have to catch this now. Oh, the little pig time! Yay!
Sal, mapakilala ko kayo. Hi, Sangyup!
They're so cute! Hi, guys! Oh, I think pigs are so adorable. If I had an actual farm, I'd consider like a little potbelly one if we didn't have like a bunch of dogs at the time. I would consider getting a pig instead of a dog. Getting my husband to say yes to that would be impossible.
Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano ba yung darak?
Ay, yung ano
The
po yun?
Rock.
Darak po yun yung
I love her nails and like in and of herself, she looks perfect. And then she just like lives on a farm. Everything's perfect about her. And then just like, I own this amazing farm. I run it with my family. It's so cool. I definitely miss some things about living on a farm. I miss the quiet. but I don't miss being far away from things, not being close to the stores, not seeing people very often.
So, andito tayo.
Sheep! Hi, baby sheep! Oh, and the geese.
Yung mga baka lang yung gusto sa akin. Hello! May mga pangalan sila?
Wala pa po.
Oh my God. Parang nagamit.
Oh my god, those geese are crazy!
So, ano naman yung kinakain nito mga to?
Darak din po.
Darak din. So, talagang darak yung
Darak,
marami.
damo,
Oo.
yung mga ano po, yung mga naggugulay po kayo. Mga,
Tapos ilang beses sila sa isang araw kumakain?
Dalawang
Yung mga-
beses po.
Dalawang beses. Kasi tumatakbo ako dito.
Oh, wow. I'm so jealous. They're in like t-shirts, shorts. This weather looks incredible. And while I'm still in a hoodie, freezing my butt off, getting a fake tan just so I can feel like I've seen the sun.
Kada ikot.
Get it, girl. Come on. There we go. Third time's the charm. A basketball court. Crazy. That's really cool though.
Badminton or volleyball there. So, at least pag nandito
Oh, so they can play like a bunch of other sports on the court. That's so awesome. I'm so jealous of that. That'd be so fun to have people over and play.
mag-hold ng events dito. And what's nice about it is that even at night, we can use it because it is surrounded by solar.
Oh, the solar lights. That's so cool. The fish pond.
And we have tilapia dito sa aming pond. So, normally, dito rin kami kumukuha ng mga fish na isi-serve namin to make it more sustainable. And it's actually pretty new, itong pond na to. We just built it late last year. We want to learn
Wow.
take care of the fishes. And although si Mama sa Quezon kasi, hindi na to bago sa kanya dahil meron din siyang mga inaalagaang samaral. Dati nag-alaga din siya ng shrimp. So, my mom talaga is into farming ever since.
That's so cool. Wow. Okay, I like need this tree house and pond area.
Parang feeling ko I wanted to create like a memorial for this tree because nung naglagay kami ng tree house dito,
Oh,
parang hindi
I
siya
didn't know this was built around
tumagal.
the
But
tree.
then, nung pinutol namin siya kasi tinitirhan na rin siya ng maraming snakes, nung pinutol namin, there are many things that we want to improve at our farm. Just like right now, we are trying to build houses for our staff.
Oh, that is completely incredible. She's building housing for the staff on the property. That is so cool. I'm sure it takes a small army to get this all handled.
Just like ourselves. And I consider myself very lucky to have a mom who continuously works hard in order for this.
That's incredible that she has that kind of a support system. That's so important. Wow, this was such a beautiful time.
Have it, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed
She's just so
watching
sweet.
this video and you enjoyed getting a tour of our little farm.
Her little
And
farm.
next
That place
week,
is
watch out
huge.
because bibigyan ko naman kayo ng tour of our farmhouse. See you. Don't forget, life is beautiful.
Oh, I love this! Y'all, this was incredible. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I am so jealous. This was a blast. Okay, everybody, that brings us to the end of another amazing video. Don't forget, if you guys like what you saw today, don't forget, comment below, leave me a thumbs up. Helps me out so much. If you like me, you can subscribe below by clicking on the red subscribe button or by clicking on my face over here on the screen here in just a minute. But until the next time, thank y'all for watching and thanks for coming to Blane's World. I love y'all.